It's Jonathan's Toy Show. Now open it.
Yeah, open the egg.
Who is it? It's the owl. It's a bird.
Okay, see it up close. Can I see it?
Now there's someone else.
And show them all the toys. Oh, let's get the slime a bit. If you guys want the slime, it is from John wants this stuff. It's fart putty, right?
Yeah.
Fart putty. It's like makes farts and stuff. It's really slimy. It doesn't stick to anything. It's clean. And afterwards, it's like your hands feel really weird, but you know, it's
Well, look at me. Bella, I want to make one for you.
okay. I'll close my eyes.
Bella, here. No, let me do it.
Okay, videotape me. Here.
Hey, Bella, say hey. Hey.
Hi.
Say
We're
hey.
back for John's toy show. And I'm opening a slime egg.
Okay.
Which you can make out of slime putty. And all you do is have to cover it in and put a little toy inside, not too big, and then you're good. And go visit my channel, Vamy Gaming. Only Vamy Gaming, no spaces. Okay? So let's
Open the
it up.
egg, Bella.
Okay.
Show me it.
We got Lammy from Dog McStuffins.
And show me like the inside of the slime.
So the slime is very textured. Like it has a good texture. It's sliced.
Hey, now your
smooth.
turn, Bella.
Okay, I'm making an egg now.
Yeah, sure. No, give me the slime. Give me some.
Are you even videotaping, girly?
Hey, yeah. No, wait a minute.
Okay, one more and then the video's over, okay?
Okay, then I can.
What's that face?
Done.
So concentrated.
Done. Bella.
Okay.
Let me open the egg.
Oh, okay, you're opening the egg. Okay, let's see. Open up the slime egg. It's hard to open it, though. Oh. Who's that? I don't think it's Peppa Pig.
It is.
Here, let me see. Write in the comments below, guys, who it is. It has heart sunglasses. It's a pig. I think it's like their cousin, but John Lynn thinks. What's that thing? And John Lynn thinks that it's Peppa Pig, which make it. Okay, John Lynn, what do we say at the end of the video?
Thanks for subscribing.